every day is a new day in this AI era, and every day AI is becoming more powerful. And with the Tavus Hummingbird, now lip sync is more powerful and more natural than ever. So Tavus launched Hummingbird, which is a lip sync, and here lip sync is far more natural than ever. So you just need to go to Tavus and then you have to select the lip sync, and then here you need to sign up for free. So for now we'll sign up with the Google. Now we have signed up here, and with the free plan we can get 5 video generation minutes, 25 conversation minutes, and there is no personal replicas in the free plan, but we get 5 lip syncs minutes. So let's try the lip sync minutes. Okay, so let me go to see here, there is a create lip sync option. Click on that, and here it is asking to select or upload a video for lip sync. So here I'll upload one of my video. So let me go here. I'll upload this one. Okay, so this is my lip sync video that I'm uploading, and then here I'll write the video name. I'll write Sunil and callback URL, let it be. Now just I'll select the audio.
They said perfect lip sync wasn't possible.
Let's warm up with a quick test.
I'll select
Peter picked a pack of purple peppers.
Okay, now I'll click on generate. So now processing lip sync creation request. Let's see how much time it is going to take. So lip sync video generation is being processed. You can check the status in the list below. See here, there will be all lip sync videos will be here. So it is generating. So once it is generated, it will be shown here. You can click and see. So now see here, this is done. Now let's click on that and see how it has come up.
Let's warm up with a quick test. Let's warm up with a quick test. Peter picked a pack of purple peppers, supposedly. Honestly, I don't trust him, but Tavus nails it. Let's warm up with a quick test. Peter picked a pack of purple peppers, supposedly. Honestly, I don't trust him, but Tavus nails it.
So this is a very good example of how AI can lip sync perfectly. So see here, the hand gestures are same, and lip sync I can see it's almost perfect, even though the video was in Indian English accent and now this is the British English or American English. So but still lip sync is quite good. So you can also go to Tavus Hummingbird and you can try it out. Thank you.